Is this 840 HP, Demon V8-powered 2020 Jeep Gladiator worth $200,000? It pretty much goes without saying that we're suckers for big V8 engine swaps into vehicles that lack factory V8 options. Evidently, we're not alone. A supercharged V8-powered 2020 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon crossed the auction block at Barrett Jackson's 2020 fall auction at WestWorld of Scottsdale in October and sold for an impressive $198,000. Of the 442 vehicles on the no-reserve docket, this Demon-powered Gladiator was number 9 in terms of top vehicle sale price, and the 8 that sold for higher were all cars. Curious what was in the number 1 spot? A 2018 Ford GT, which sold for a crisp $1,210,000. By Demon-powered, we mean more than just an angry, outrageous, possessed V8, although possessed is written on the rig's hood. No, we're talking about the 840 horsepower 6.2-liter Demon crate engine also found in the limited edition Dodge Challenger SRT Demon, considered the most powerful, fastest production drag car ever built. Does this make the Gladiator the only supercharged FCA pickup out there? Nope. The 702 horsepower Ram 1500 TRX has a supercharged 6.2-liter V8, technically not called a Hellcat because that's a Dodge thing. But the Demon is a different animal altogether, a souped-up Hellcat with a larger supercharger. And dare we say, it tops the Wrangler Unlimited 392 concept 6.4-liter Hemi that churns out 450 horsepower and 450 pounds-foot of torque, although we certainly wouldn't turn that down. Packing over 800 horsepower is quite a jump up from the 285 horsepower and 260 pounds-foot of torque produced by the Gladiator's standard 3.6-liter Pentastar V6. The diesel Gladiator has more torque than the gasoline V6 with 442 pounds-foot, but fewer horsepower at 260. Let's just say this is the alpha engine swap that more than compensates for the Gladiator's lackluster engine performance, while surely guaranteeing single-digit fuel economy. But then again, if you're in the market for a $200K Jeep, you're probably not concerned about economy. The burly Gladiator touts more than a sweet V8 engine swap. Check out the specs below for the complete rundown. Year, make, model: 2020 Jeep Gladiator Custom Demon Launch Edition Rubicon Builder, Jeep-only's team of 4WD ambassadors in Las Vegas, Nevada. Engine: 850 horsepower 6.2-liter Demon Challenger crate engine, 2.7-liter supercharger, Griffin radiator transmission, modified 8 HP 75 8-speed automatic odometer, 166 miles fueling, 4 Innovations dual fuel pump system driveline, Dynatrac steering kit, King steering stabilizer, Adams drive shaft, off-road evolution, Evo, 6.5-inch Enforcer Overland Stage 4 suspension system, Evo King shocks, Dynatrac Pro Rock Hardcore Plus XD60 front and rear axle set, 5.13 axle ratio, Eatoney locker, Rubicon transfer case interior, custom embroidered headrests with Demon logos, exterior accessories, Warren ZN10S winch, Rockslide Engineering electric side steps, Rockslide Engineering slider skids, JCR bed-mounted spare tire